Hello, good morning to one and all. Here I am before you with yet another new craft work that is making of an elephant. Wow, your children are going to love it. Doing it and playing with it. So you have to just help them how to do. So all we need is one color paper which is square in shape, preferably 20 into 20 centimeters. Okay, and now we have to fold this square into half, making it into a triangle, and turn it this side and fold this again into half. Okay, very easy and very simple. Now take the glue and stick these two papers, and also again stick this paper also like this. Okay, now next what you have to do is turn this paper in towards our side. Okay, now here we can see, keep an imaginary line like this, straight line, and 1 inch from here fold this paper like this. Okay, and again here a straight imaginary line, and 1 inch from here fold this paper also like this. These are going to be the ears of the elephant. Okay, and now let's keep this here and take this paper, which is a long one, put the scale in between and just fold this paper like this, and this side also. Okay, fold it like this, remove the scale, and let's put glue to this side, and here also down. Sorry, now paste this one like this. This is going to be the trunk of the elephant. Okay, turn it this side, and with the help of the black sketch pen just draw a few lines like this. Okay, next is put glue at the top and stick it to the face. Yeah, I think we are getting the shape of an elephant. Okay, yeah, and now you can teach the parts of the body of an elephant while doing this activity. Tell them this is the trunk, and now we need two tusks also for the elephant. So I have cut the shape of the tusks. Very easy, just fold the paper and you can cut it into two pieces and put glue to this and stick it here. You can tell your child about the tusk, how the tusks helps the elephant to protect itself, and they are very costly, and the trunk of the elephant is used for eating, drinking, holding things like that. Okay, so this is next. What is left is the eyes of the elephant. So I have made two eyes like this on a white paper, which is easy. You can also make it within a jiffy. Okay, here we go, put one here and one here. There you are, the elephant is ready. And to make it more exciting for the child, we can do one more activity. Is let's fold this nicely up. The trunk should be folded like this, and we shall be inserting one straw. Take one straw and turn it at the back. There is a hole here for this trunk. Put it here inside, and so that the straw doesn't move, we can paste two papers like this. So the straw doesn't move, just fix this straw like this so that this straw doesn't move at all. Okay, here is your elephant, and you just have to blow. So like this, if you can try it, I think it will work out like this. Yeah, so this is the elephant for your child for today's activity. And for your child, if your child is below 3.5 years, one more activity for your child to improve his finger movements and to get him ready for holding the pencil is, please draw one circle like this on a white paper, and with the help of crayons, take any color, red, and make him hold the crayon like this and start putting dots in a circle. So this is the first step for helping your child in holding the pencil in a proper way, and this will increase his fine motor skills. Okay, like this. Take another color, make him dab any number of dots, so you are helping him increase his concentration level, that is putting dots within the circle, and also his improving his fine motor skills. So this is one added activity for your child for today. Keep doing and help your child improve further, okay, and enjoy what he's doing. And don't forget to give a wonderful star after he does his work. Okay, right then, bye bye. Meet you in the next episode. Till then, take care.